Just watch it fill up the nozzle. See, there you go.
I'm David MacDonald. I'm 42 years old. I'm a Red Seal Glazier here at Glass 8 Inc.
It's his first time. It's first one.
So we're actually a group of 3 companies, and we each have a different aspect of the glazing industry. So we have Polar Windows, who does PVC windows. We have Accurate Dorwin, who does fiberglass windows. And we have Glass 8, who does commercial aluminum architectural installs. So we were at one of our installations, which is a new car dealership for a Ford dealership. We were prepping and installing commercial glazing units into a frame. There we go. So the frame's already been installed, and we were getting the rubber and all the sealants ready around the glass and getting the glass installed. There we go. And you can get some pretty crazy installs going. Right next door we saw that the Volkswagen was huge pieces of glass that are 6 feet across and 10 foot high, and we have to use a crane with a special lifting device just to put these glass in. It takes a lot of coordination and a lot of good clear communication to the crews to make sure everybody's going at the same speed. There's no rushing whatsoever. You do it once and you do it nice and smooth.
Hey, Brandon, how's this install going today?
I am typically a foreman on site, so I'm the one that manages all the product coming to site, making sure that the installation is going correctly, everything is being assembled correctly. Coordinating people, depending on the crew size. I can be definitely on the tools all day, depending on what we're doing, and making sure that everybody's getting enough help getting the job done. We have fabricators who put all the framing, cut it, and assemble it all together and get it ready for the field. Fabrication, we definitely have a lot of aspects that we have to do before actually it even gets to the field. So you have someone that cuts it, you have someone that preps it, you have someone else that puts it all together, assembles it, makes sure all the screws and seals are prepped. Then you have a glazer, puts the glass into it, and has it all packaged up with stops and gets ready for install. So we definitely get a lot of walks of life. As my entire career being in glass, it's been diverse the entire time. Here at even Glass 8, we have a lot of Russian guys. I've even learned a little bit of Russian. So it's quite interesting to see how much you can learn from a different culture.